Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the slow performance of your Windows like lagging issues or just the entire performance which is very slow. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window, or you can simply directly make a right click at the Start button and select Run. Now here you need to type TEMP. It's TEMP, click on OK. And there are a lot of temporary files from here created by your system, so what you can do, you need to delete everything. So click on one file and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard. Then you have to hit the delete bin at the top. Now check this box to this for all current items and simply click on the skip button. Now not all of these files will be deleted, and that is totally fine because these are used by the programs on your Windows. Then again, press the Windows key and letter R button together again. This time you need to type percentage TEMP percentage, and then you have to click on OK. The same thing, click on one folder and press Ctrl plus A on keyboard. Hit the delete bin at the top. Now check this box, do this for all current items and click on skip. Not all of these files will be deleted, and that is totally fine. Then again, you have to press the Windows key and letter R button together again. This time you need to type prefetch. It's prefetch. Just simply click on OK. And you have to also delete everything from here. Now once done, close this window. And then you have to click on the Windows search bar and then type sysdm.cpl. It's sysdm.cpl. Click on Control Panel item under the Best Match. Now here in this window, you'll find the Advanced tab. Click on that. And you'll find Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Click on Settings. And this window will appear. Now what you can do, you need to click on Adjust for Best Performance. But you need to check this box, Show Thumbnails instead of Icons. And Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. Click on Apply. And you have to click on OK and then click on OK again. Then for the next method, we can also perform a disk cleanup. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup under the Best Match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Now here in the disk cleanup for Windows C drive, you just need to simply check these boxes one by one. And then you have to click on OK. Click on delete files. And after you have performed the disk cleanup, you will also be gaining a disk space on your Windows. This is also a very helpful way. And you just need to wait for the process to be done. Then make a right click at the Start button, and then you have to select Task Manager in the list of options. Now maximize the Task Manager window. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find Startup Apps. Click on that. So Startup Programs, these are the programs that automatically start whenever you sign in into your Windows if these are enabled. Now what you can do, change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. And what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup program. You just need to simply make a right click and then select disable, especially for applications like Discord, Xbox, or any other unnecessary applications. So once done, close out of here. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type choose. Choose a power plan will automatically appear under the Best Match. Click on that. And here, if you have the high performance on your Windows, then you can simply choose the high performance or the ultra high performance. Now once done, close out of here. And then finally, make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after that, the slow performance of your Windows will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.